2B North, Adam Edward Union, 46 Lincoln. It's a Marine Subaru Legacy. We're taking the 2B. Get ready, boys. Eastbound on 64, coming up to 282. Passing the sheriff's office. Speed's about 62. We're coming up to Shipley, 1037. Notify 87. Speed 65, there's no traffic. Notify the county as well. We're passing Shipley, coming up to Pleasant Valley.
I'm coming to you. I'm coming down 6411.
No, I'm about to TBI. He's going to crash out and hit somebody.
I'm coming up on the sheriff's office. I'll be there in a second.
TBI, TBI. He's getting back on. I got him head on. You better show me your hands right now. Crossfire, crossfire. Get out of that car and show me your hands.
Get out of the car!
Get out of the car now.
Out of the car!
Out of the car.
Put your hands on the roof!
Hey, cover me. I'm coming to you.
Hands on the roof! Hands on the roof! Step out of the car! Okay,
Step out of the car.
Okay, step out of the car! Stay right there!
Get on. Hey, no, watch out. Hey, Austin, back up, back up. Hey, lay face down on the ground. Back up! Cover me.
Okay, why am I getting... Whoa. Can you tell me why this is happening?
Shut the fuck up.
Why am I shutting the fuck up? Do you want me to call? I can call. I don't know why this is happening. And I was following you, and I was just going at normal speed. I'm not drunk.
There you are.
Why am I getting pulled over? I mean, y'all were going, and I was just following, and my wheels slipped out. You can see it. You can see that there's grass in my wheels. I don't.
Yeah, I just put your ass in the ditch.
Yeah, why did you put me in the ditch? I don't understand what's going on.
Walk back here, back to the car.
Okay, why are we... I honestly don't understand what's going on.
No, you're sitting back here.
Okay, yes sir. Yes sir, I'm not trying to mess with you.
Have a seat.
Okay, yes sir. I promise I'm not What about you?
Yeah. Hold on.
No, sir. I'm not messing with your stuff.
You don't blow in
I'm
this?
not messing with your stuff. I'm not. Period.
Where'd you run?
No,
So I let him up, taking the 2B on 540. He almost hit me on the shoulder. He's doing 82 coming off the bridge.
Sir.
Quit talking. Shut up. Just quit talking.
I was just about to call you.
Oh, I was about to call you. Hold on one second.